Let's see how to set up two-factor verification on Instagram for your iPhone or Android. For that, you have to open up your Instagram and head to your profile icon. Press the hamburger menu in the top right and head to Account Center. Select Password and Security, then go to two-factor authentication. Now pick your Instagram account. Choose your preferred verification method. It can be SMS or WhatsApp or another available option. Hit Next and select your region and type in your phone number. Instagram send you a verification code on WhatsApp first. You can choose how you want to receive the verification code, such as via phone number instead of WhatsApp. Enter the code, hit Next, and you are all set. Your two-factor authentication is now enabled. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.